was delayed for over 4 hours following rains in Western Kenya region. Initially, the recruitment exercise was expected to start at 8 a.m. but began at 12 noon though residents turned up in huge numbers. The senior recruiting officer, Lieutenant Colonel Fred Mushera, commended the participants for being cooperative and calm. However, the exercise ended at Vihiga County on Wednesday and is expected to carry on in Nandi County.
Generally, the exercise has been good. We have not experienced any incidences. It has been very smooth. I think people of this area are very, very calm. We have not experienced any fraud case, either in terms of forgery of certificates or the IDs. So it has been very good, and we appreciate.
And in the